Tonina Saputo fell in love with the upright bass when she was only 6.
I felt like it was made for me and I was made for the instrument. It never seemed like an instrument that was in the background. To me, it felt like the melody.
She studied Spanish in school, and soon she was writing songs in Spanish using her bass. Today, Tonina is well known for her music in Spain and in her native St. Louis, where she performs with her band. Her sound combines her classical training with folk, R&B, Spanish, and Latin flavors. It's a unique blend, and music critics are singing her praise. Barack Obama even counts himself a fan.
I've learned to be patient with it and let the ideas come to me.
Meet bass player and guitarist Tonina Saputo on the next episode of Classical BTS, premiering Thursday, March 25th at 7 p.m. on Facebook, WILL TV, and the PBS Video app.